So I ordered a few parts online for the 86 Widebody kit. This is what came in today. I ordered 30mm spacers from Just Jap. Let's open up the box and see what we got inside. Ooh, what's this? Gift voucher. I don't drink wine, but maybe I'll give that to my girlfriend or something. Main part of it all is what we're looking for is dun, da, da, da. So I purchased spacers for the 86 for the fronts. The backs still haven't arrived. Of these, judging by the quality of this, looks pretty damn good. I know some of you guys right now that are watching the video are probably hate spacers. I know a lot of you guys out there really are just not willing to go for spacers at all, and most of you guys probably hate it because of how much hate there is on spacers. This video isn't about us spacers, but if you guys really want to know more about spacers and if they're safe or not for your car, do go check out Fitment Industries on their YouTube channel, and they will explain everything by Alex himself. I'll be leaving a link in the description where you guys can find Fitment Industries YouTube channel, so go check out their videos. They got lots of help on how to build your car or suspension and reviews and stuff like that. It helps out a lot. Now I know you guys, some of you guys out there really hate spacers. I know spacers have gone through forums about how safe or are they not safe, blah 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 blah. For my personal opinion, if you're gonna run spacers, don't run slip-on spacers. Run spacers that's customized for your car, for your hub, center, whatever millimeter it is, right? Get the right spacers for your car. Make sure they're not eBay parts. Probably getting like hate comments in the comment section down below right now about eBay spacers, but I'll probably want to get it myself. These are Australian brands, so they are forged. Now enough me talking about how safe or not safe spacers are, because well, if you do your research, guys, and you know what you're doing, spacers can be good for your car if you need that extra legs to make your guards fit flush with your wheels. Okay, so let's get back to the video. We're gonna go install these bad boys on the front of the car. So first you're gonna have to take off the nuts that are already on it. So it's important that you get hub-centric spacers, so your wheel sits flush and has no movement when the wheel is on the car, so it doesn't wobble, has no movement whatsoever. So that's why it's recommended to get hub-centric spacers to match your hubs on your wheels, or your center ball, sorry. Now what you're going to want to do is you want to just install it like so. Make sure it's nice and snug, and with the bolts that was given with you, you put on the original ones, so on your this rotor where your original studs are. By the way, I forgot to mention, if you guys are going to install this, when you do take off the wheel, this is going to rotate when you do tighten it. So if you want, grab a flathead screwdriver like I did and just put it underneath the brake caliper in one of these holes to stop the disc from moving, and then continue to tighten your bolts. Now you guys are probably wondering what wheels I'm going to be putting on the car. I've got wheels I've had for about 2.5 years that have been sitting in my garage. I've used them a while ago, but I've taken them off since, and I still have them now. Got what wheels they are. So these are my work XSA's Stance Nation edition. They don't make these anymore. They look like CR2Ps. Yes, some of you guys in the comment sections are probably saying these are work CR2Ps. No, they're not. Check out these grooves here. CR2Ps don't have this. I've looked everywhere online to find out what wheels these were. I don't know anyone else who owns a pair of these in Sydney. So far I only know that I owned one of these sets. These are original, still same paint. These are 18 by 9, I think, or 9.5, plus a 35 offset. Alrighty, moment of truth, guys. Let's see what the wheels look like. How are we looking? Pretty good. I mean, once we go a bit lower, The wheels are gonna tuck into the guards, so that's what I was aiming for. That's how it looks now. So I'm hoping I don't need 35 mils, but I hope 30 mils does do the job. So I'm pretty happy with that fitment. Pretty good.
The next day.
You guys wouldn't believe what the fuck came in the mail today as a surprise. So the spacers for the rears finally came in. Custom made by stainless steel. Shout outs to BSA Wheels in Sydney for making these. Amazing. Damn, bro. Holy fuck, dude. Look at them. Look how fucking big they are. Oh, we gotta install these right now. Right now. Dude, I literally installed like 5mm spacers just this morning, just because I needed to get somewhere, but I didn't end up driving my car. So now I have to jack up my car at the back again just to take off the rear spacers that I did install, just to clear a little fitment that I was scrubbing on. Now I gotta do it all over again. Oh my god, bro, I can't be fucked. Okay guys, right out of the package. Once again, shout out to BSA Wheels for custom designing these for my car. They are stainless steel and forged and machine crafted for the specs of my wheels. I can't wait to install these. Fuck dude, they are fucking huge, bro. Wow. Holy fuck. Look how big these look on the car. Bro. Why are they so heavy? Alright guys, I just wanted to say, when installing space a custom size to your cars, just double check all your bolts are safe and they are tight. You don't want anything going wrong or your wheels falling off, or it's just going to be a big disaster for you. So just take a little bit more time just to double check everything that's tight, so you can avoid all those. Alright guys, the moment you guys have all been waiting for. Damn! Alright, we're a bit pokey. Once we lower the car, that should fix the issue though. But looks like just the perfect fitment as I measured. Looks pretty good. Now we just need to get lower the car down. But damn, that looks so good, man. The fitment looks nice. Looks meaty. Guys, I'd like to give a big shout outs to BSA Wheels for hooking up the custom rear spacers for me. Big shout outs to you guys, man. Appreciate it.